Good evening, Ton enthusiasts. I'm Tonio, back with another week of spectacular developments in the Ton blockchain world. Let's explore the strides our community has made just this past week. We kick off with Game.E, part of Animoca Brands, announcing a groundbreaking partnership with Ton Ventures. This past week, they've set plans to integrate Ton-based digital assets into Game.E's Web3 gaming platform, aiming to expand its reach within the Ton network. The excitement continued with the Bidget and Dogs Carnival. This past week, Bidget invited everyone to deposit their dogs tokens with zero gas fees and participate in a contest full of grand rewards. It's a lively time for all dogs holders, so jump in if you haven't yet. In major collaboration news, Hashkey Group has teamed up with Catizen to supercharge the Ton ecosystem. Their partnership, announced this week, is set to bring innovative Web3 and GameFi developments to the platform, significantly enhancing the Telegram mini-app community's experience. TonUp also made headlines this week by partnering with DGO, marking a significant step forward in their mission to fuel growth in the Ton ecosystem. DGO, a platform that enables easy creation, trading, and mining of NFTs within a cross-chain ecosystem, is designed to help projects attract users and develop valuable NFT applications. Exciting times for the TonUp community as the BN is set for August 26th. BN aims to revolutionize the creation and trading of meme coins on Ton, offering a range of participant-exclusive rounds starting from community leaders to the general public. The Storm token pre-market on GetGems was a massive hit. Market makers NFT holders quickly claimed most of the pre-sale allocation, and trading prices surged six-fold within just 10 minutes after release. OKX Wallet has taken a significant step by integrating Ton into its DEX aggregator this past week, enhancing user experience with direct token swaps and cross-chain transactions on the Ton chain. Ton has also been added to the markets section, letting users explore popular Ton tokens. Celebrating its third anniversary, MyTon Wallet launched version 3.0 with a host of new features including the W5 wallet, full support for NFTs and staking, and an improved in-app browser. They're also hosting a contest for Android developers with a handsome prize pool. And finally, if you've made swaps on EVA by August 22nd, your share of the 500 million EVA XP is now available. This rewards program is a testament to EVA's commitment to providing zero extra fees and efficient routing for all swaps. That wraps up this week's news. Thanks for watching our Ton blockchain roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.